Hey everyone, now in this video we are going to learn how to draw a circle. So first of all we have to take the circle from here and then click anywhere and then draw any kind of circle. You can using this circle and now manually how you can draw the line as of how much radius of you want a circle. So simply click C circle. You can see here the circle command. C enter, then specify the point where you want to draw a circle. Click here and then give the values of radius value. So I want to draw a 500 mm of circle. That means a diameter is of 1000. So 500 mm and then enter. Then you can zoom it here. The circle is drawn. It is of, how can we check the dimension of this circle? We can check the dimension of the circle is, so here we can go. Here we can go in the annotation where we find how to what radius of the circle is. So we can check. We can click on here radius, and then we can click on here on circle, and then simply drag here. You can see the dimension here. Radius is 500 mm. And then click escape. From every command you want to exit, you can simply press the escape key. Here. And even here is the different ways how to draw a circle in different ways. Like let me show you. Like simply you want, there is some line. Simply there is some line, and the end there, and every line is having 2 points, end point and starting point and end point. So from suppose a point is A and the point is B. So I want to draw a line across this 2 point. So touching to this point, like we can consider it is a diameter. So we have to only so we have to take a command C enter, then specific C enter, then click 2P enter. 2P means a 2 point, this and this. So specify first point and then specify second point, click here and then draw the circle. We can draw now the circle using these 2 points. So this line we can consider as a diameter. So we are using these 2 points, we can draw a line, we can draw a circle. Now we are going to use 3 points. So how to draw a circle? So like we draw a line like in L shape. So we are going to use 3 points. Suppose in triangle. Suppose we are going to draw a line using 3 points. So first point is here and here and here. First, second and third. So we are going to draw a circle. So how to draw a circle? Again, take a command for a circle, C enter, specific C enter, then 3P enter. Then specify first point, is here, then click on here and then here. Sorry, C, enter, 3, T, enter. So click first point, click second point and click third point. We cannot draw a circle using 1, 2 and 3 points. So 3 point, using 3 points we can draw a circle. So this is the second way how to draw a circle using 3 points. Now we are going to draw a circle using 2 points. Again we can draw this L shape of line. So we are going to take C, enter, again 2P, enter, and then first point and then second point. So we are going to make a line, make a circle from using 2 points, but so